Preview of baked turtles. Hello dear friends. Today I'm turning simple potatoes into something super cute. I take the potatoes. First I boil the potatoes. Then I smash the potatoes and add boiled eggs. Add pepper and salt too. Then I take some smashed potatoes and roll it up to create the shape of a turtle's body. I carefully create the head. Then I create tiny legs and fix them carefully. Oh, look how it's turning into adorable little turtles. I take a barbecue stick to draw lines on the shell of the turtles. Reheat the oven to 200 Celsius, 200 Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Bake until golden brown and crispy. I'll make 2 adorable turtles. Turtles before baking. Before baking, don't forget to sprinkle cheese on top. The final dish, turtles after baking. Enjoy!